Just going to mark the wall off. 20mm zip bit. Gently with the pressure, so you don't blow the black of the plasterboard. Then take the collar, which is easy to insert. Just needs a gentle tap. This helps distribute the weight better within the hole and make the fixing very, very strong. You then simply make the fixing into the shape of a fish. Put the tail in first. Give it a little tap until the holes line up. So now I'm just going to attach a picture hook using the screw supplied. Just got it on a medium torque setting on the driver. There we go. Bullfix plasterboard fixings. We drill through the plasterboard and we drill through the insulation at the rear as well. Now insert a collar. Just press it in slightly, give it a tap. Make the fixing into a fish shape. Place the tail in first. Now we're going to give it a tap. As you can see, that's actually penetrated the insulation at the back. So now I'm just going to attach a picture hook using the screw supplied. Just got it on a medium torque setting on the driver. So you can see, going into the insulated black plasterboard, we've got a cross section cut away. You can see where the cutter's gone into the insulation. You can see how the wings have opened and they're actually penetrated and they're actually behind the plasterboard and the fixings there held in place.